Hey, this is Jasmine from Wolfstorm. Today I'm going to introduce some off-road rescue accessory, a off-road recovery kit. An off-road recovery kit is an accessory that can help you recover your vehicle from a stuck position or in difficult driving terrain. Different manufacturers will design different combinations of equipment. The Wolfstorm Offroad Recovery Kit contains a 4-inch by 20-feet tour strap, a 4-inch by 8-feet tree saver, 2 3/4-inch orange D-ring shackle, a snatch block, and a pair of gloves. The two large storage bags on the outside are made of polyester for storing tool strap and tree saver, which have good air permeability and strong ultraviolet resistance. 4 small storage bags inside are used to store shackle, snatch block, and gloves. The black bag acts as a storage bag and a winch damper. The rubber handle on the top is designed for easier carrying. The Velcro steel is designed for easy crosses to objects. The tool strap and tree saver has a working load limit of 15,000 pounds and the minimum brake strength is 41,800 pounds. The snatch block working load limit is 33,000 pounds and the minimum brake strength is 66,000 pounds. The shackle work load limit is 38,500 pounds and the minimum brake strength is 7,000 pounds. The off-road recovery kit can be kept in the carriage, which doesn't make up too much space and is convenient to make as needed. When the vehicle is in trouble, you can use the off-road recovery kit to recover yourself or rescue others, suitable for more complete off-road rescue scenarios. The tree saver will protect the tree and your winch rope. Wrap it around the tree and surge it with a shackle and snatch block. If you wind the winch rope directly around the tree, you may damage the tree and damage your winch rope. The tool strap can be used as a retractor tool to recovery or be recovered by other vehicle. The tool strap can act as a winch rope extension. Winch can be very effective if you are in the area with only spare tree or rocks to anchor. The D-ring shackle helps you attach the winch rope to tree saver, tool strap, snatch block, farmer jack, or bumpers. There are 2 rubber washers on each side to reduce friction and noise between shackle and ankles. Snatch block can double your pull or change the direction of your pull. Gloves will protect your hand and keep you clean while recovering the vehicle. If you are using steel winch rope, gloves are necessary. Use tree saver when you must anchor on a tree. The tool strap can be hooked to the winch line with the shackle provided in the seat and use it as an extension of your winch line. The tree saver and tool strap acting as an anchor point and tool ring respectively. It is made of polyester. This material is inelastic and cannot be extended. After use, please rinse with water to clean and air dry. Please add gloves before using snatch block for the first time. If you want more products like this, please check out our online store. See you next time.